Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device Redmi 9A9C. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the ringtone, like you want to fix the ringtone or you are having any problem related to the settings of the ringtone, you can fix this by the methods I will show you. Before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn how you can fix the ringtone problem in your device. Let's watch it.